Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get started on Airbnb mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Airbnb app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, go to the profile icon at the bottom right. Here you can upload a photo, add your name, email and phone number and verify your ID if needed. This helps build trust with the host or guest. Now you are ready to explore. Tap the explore icon at the bottom left to search for places to stay. You can enter your destination, travel dates, and number of guests. Use filter like price range, entire place, or pet friendly to narrow down option. If you want to become a host, tap the profile icon, then scroll down and tap on become a host. Follow the simple steps to list your space. It's free to start and only take a few minutes. And that's it. You are all set to book or stay or start hosting on Airbnb mobile app. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.